Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to hang your Daikin air conditioner remote control to the wall. Okay, as you can see, every remote control they have the bracket holder to your remote control that you can hold the remote to the wall, and all you need to do just drill and place the screw to each point of the remote control holder. For example, you need to drill your wall and then screw it to that position, and another one on the below of it. And there's different type of the wall. Sometimes you need to use this tool to attach the screw, and if your wall is made from wood, you can just drill it. For example, I drill it to this box. Okay, and just screw it. Okay, until it's stuck to the wall like this. Now you can attach your remote control to it. Okay, you can see it's not gonna drop your remote control, and it will hang to the flat wall surface like this. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can hang your Daikin air conditioner remote control to the wall with the remote control holder. Okay, so now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.